The tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more. This is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today, we are going to show you how to set a 4-piece snap. Step 1, get the right tools. You will need 4 parts of the snap: the cap, socket, stud, and eyelet. The tools to set the snap: an anvil, a hand setter, a rawhide hammer and a hard surface, a revolving leather punch, and leather. Step 2, cut a hole in the leather. Cut a hole using the revolving leather punch. Step 3, add the snaps. First, push the cap through the leather and fit the socket over the cap post. You should see about 1 millimeter of the cap post sticking through the leather. You want a little of the post to show through so you have room to peen the metal over the socket. Once you determine you have the correct size snap, place the top of the cap on the anvil and use the hand tool and hammer to peen the cap post over the socket. Next, do the same process with the stud and eyelet. Push the eyelet through the leather and ensure about 1 millimeter of the eyelet post is sticking out over the leather. Fit the hand tool over the eyelet post and hit with your rawhide mallet until the metal is spread out over the stud and then the two are married together. And there you have it, setting a 4-piece snap. Try it for yourself. Find all the tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.